In this episode, I'm decorating for the fall season. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing and how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. And in today's episode, as I said, I'm decorating for fall. So I'm tackling that good old coffee station. So if you want to see what I did a little different this year, you know what to do. Keep watching. Now this video is part of an open invite collaboration. Now the collaboration is entitled the Fall Coffee Beverage Bar 2023 and its host is Kimberly Davis at A Blessed Home. Now if you're not familiar with her channel, I'll have a link to her channel down below with the playlist when it becomes available. Now, don't forget to check out the other participants in this collaboration. I know you'll enjoy their videos as much as I will.
Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
Now there's only one item on the station that is new for this year, and that's the fall coffee cup stand. I purchased that at General Dollar. Everything else I had in my stash. So tell me if you like my coffee station for this fall season. Let me know down below. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to give the girl a thumbs up. Doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.